Good afternoon, everybody. It's Alex and Christine. Say hello.
Hi.
We're here. She does anything I tell her to do. We do, not really, but you know what I mean. Anyway, we're at Cadillac servicing this pre-owned, beautiful Range Rover. Actually, 2 Range Rovers in a row, 2 services in a row. Different dealerships, different Range Rovers. We're gonna get in the vehicle because we have to move it. And you can see just a flawless, beautiful color combination. It smells like tobacco big time. Do you smell that?
Yes.
Okay, so you can see it looks good. Actually looks great. Smells bad. All right, and I don't care how much money they put into the detail. If they didn't call Master Odor Removal, they never get rid of this odor. So what I need to do is just figure out how to turn it on, to be honest with everybody. There it is. All right, whoa, this is a level 4, if not 5 tobacco. This is really, really strong. The AC is on, we'll turn it up. And we'll treat these ventilated seats. Actually, one of the AC, there we go. And we'll do a max. All right, it takes a while. And there it is. And yeah, they're going to need to change the air filter in here after our service. But we're going to go ahead and treat all the hard plastics, the steering wheel, the door panel, the rubber seals around the doors. Obviously, as much of the headliner that there is. And this headliner actually does come forward, so we will treat that. The seats, the carpeting, the mats, the hatchback area, and then we'll service the AC with our second step patent pending process. Once again, just lucky, just have a reputation on the street as a luxury car odor removal specialist, myself and Master Odor Removal, and we're back in another luxury vehicle right away, helping them to sell it. So we service any make, any model. Give us a call. We look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for